Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month being the month of February, it's the month of Romeo and Juliet. Love is in the air. 我虽然身旁没有 Juliet, 但有爱丽丝也不错。Yes, 这个月呢，我们教大家的就是跟我爱你有关系。We're all talking about things associated with love and how to say I love you.
我愛你。
愛愛你，愛愛你, that's I love you. Me love you. All right? So let's go ahead and give out phrases that are associated with love. And we just said 我爱你，再讲一次。
我愛你。
我愛你, okay? And because there's Valentine's Day this month, we should teach you how to say 情人節 or Valentine's Day.
情人節。
情人節。听起来就很亲近的感觉，对不对？
真的哦。
对啊，好，越来越有爱咯。有爱的时候要干嘛呢？也要送礼物啦，
对
不对？虽然有的时候礼物呢只是一个形式上的东西，
对，
每天有真的在爱对方，那才最重要。
对对对对。
Love is always more important than giving gifts, but at times when we have anniversaries or Valentine's Day, we want to give a gift. 所以礼物怎么说呢？
礼物。
礼物。
那海陆腔，礼物。
礼物。比较有力哦
送的东西比较大，
对，没错 That's a different dialect for saying gift 礼物
礼物
Okay, slightly different, but it all means gift. Alright, let's make a phrase out of this. 那就用情人节咯。
好，
比如说情人节快到了，我们要怎么说呢？ Valentine's is around the corner, it's coming up. How do you say that?
情人节會到了。
情人節會到了會到了就是快到了，然後剛剛有教情人節就是情人節 Okay, that's Valentine's Day is coming. Or if you want to put any other terms, 你要說生日快到了也是一樣會到了
會到了生日會到了
生日會到了 That means birthday is coming up. Okay, so it's very practical. Let's review all these terms. 我愛你
我愛你
我愛你 And then Valentine's Day 情人節
情人節
情人節And then a gift, 禮物
禮物
禮物 And 為的就是要聽 Alice 跟我說一聲什麼
我愛你
再講一次
我愛你
哎呀That again means I love you 其實每一個國家的語言都一定要去學到怎麼講我愛你對不對That's our theme of the month and I hope you enjoyed it Love is in the air again This is Practical Hakka
師母大家
俺是誰張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.